For this demo, I'm going to demonstrate how to interact with the OASIS framework using the native messaging system that is available for Chromium applications. So Chromium runs in Chrome, Edge, a lot of the modern browsers. And what this will do is it's going to take some JavaScript and send it over through the messaging service to the native messaging service where I have written some code to interact straight with the invoke call that is available with OASIS. So it's a very, very small native plugin where the rest of the code is being done in JavaScript. So we'll open this up. We'll connect to our little extension. And the first thing I'm going to do is do a detect. This will send the message across to that native component that's a plugin. And the response back from OASIS is this set of JavaScript. Now, the next thing I'm going to demo is I'm going to show you how we could take the Mozilla Firefox component and find the actual version for it. So we'll do that by coming in here, find on page Mozilla. And if I follow this through, there's the name Mozilla, and the signature for this product that's installed is 3039. What I'll do is I'm going to look at the OASIS documentation here for get version. I need to put in a signature ID of 3039 and pass this particular JSON over. I've already prepared that here in Notepad. So I will just copy and paste this and go back to our browser. In this case, I'm just sending random JSON over, and following the API, I will say invoke. And looking at the JSON again, it has the method 100, which correlates to get version and the signature ID of 3039. I'll send that. And here is the version information back, and it says that we're running version 105.03. Now, the last thing I'm going to demonstrate is how I can take that JSON coming back from the browser and go ahead and just parse it right in the JavaScript inside the browser. So I'll open up our browser's debugger at this point in time. I've set a breakpoint here for display OS version. I have specifically set up OS as a command that I can understand, and that will invoke the OS command. And we'll see what the result coming back is. The data shown here, here's the result back from the OASIS framework. And as you can see right here in the JavaScript, I have all the JSON to work with. I'll now go up here into this call, and right down here we're going to append the name and the version to the system. And so we'll just go through. You'll do the name. You can see it showed up right up here, Windows 10 Pro, and the version of Windows 10 that is running. We'll hit run and show you that this is a simple application that allows you to interact with the OASIS framework. Thank you.